Can I point out that you took out the bathroom last week, which means if you'd done a bigger pitch to Alice for the domain prize, you ultimately should have won that as well. So this comes down to you, this one.
No.
$5,000 cash, $5,000 in marketing spend.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
From domain, from Alice.
You got 30 seconds, go.
Although our room looks quite, you know, industrial and modern and contemporary and all that, we are going to bring in that luxe and that feminine kind of zhuzh in all of our soft furnishings. We are going to keep a neutral palette, so, you know, grey bed head, beautiful pennants coming down here. And with that low window, we're going to have a little little chair so people can look out and read a book and all that. Lots of lilacs, soft pinks, turquoise and emeralds, a beautiful bed, looking at the artwork, and then a little seating area there, which is going to be a perfect eye level looking at that window.
You have raced through that beautifully.
How was that?
30 seconds.
So, did I sell the room enough in that 30 seconds? I don't know.
There's something with my built-in spirit level that I have. There's something amiss on those windows there.
Are we high up this end now, and is it dropping down?
Yeah, it's sort of like got a bit of a dip there, or the windows are out, or something's out.
Something is out now that I can see it.
Well, the top of that window stands out, doesn't it?
Yeah, the ceiling went up pretty much when the challenge was, so we weren't on site.
That can't be fixed, I wouldn't have thought. You haven't tried, eh? You're not going to get that sorted. And it's a bit of a... There's a wave there, too.
It does look like it goes this way too, but I don't know if that's just the...
Well, there goes our chance at doing well this week because, you know, it's all about having, you know, a perfect room.
And there's a dip there by the looks of it, a little one.
The only way to fix it, I'm assuming, would be to pull the panels down and refix the ceiling, which we don't have time to do, not on a Friday.